Hello guys, hi. I'm actually here today at the car park. So I decided to do a reverse bay parking into a bay. So basically, lots of people have been asking how to do reverse parking and what sort of observation, how to control, how much steering should I be using. So I thought I made a little short video so everyone can see it and use their own method as well if they see need to adopt it. So what I do with this car, I'm actually, first of all, I choose the bay. At the same time, I also need to position my vehicle in the center of the road so that I don't hit any car beside me while I'm reversing. So I'm going to select the bay first. So I'm going to park over here next to my shoulder on the one on the right hand side down here. So for that reason, obviously, I'm going to give the signal right first, looking around, be in the middle of the road. So I'm going to go in the middle of the road first and get the car straight in. So one bay, two bay, I'm going to go three bay forward, and the third bay, the last white lane of the third bay, I'm going to bring it in the middle of my door, somewhere down here in front of my shoulder, basically almost like a chest, front of my chest. It's not the middle of the door, it's slightly back from the middle. So I would say you can use your elbow when you're holding the steering wheel in front of it. From there, select the reverse gear. Once you select the reverse gear, then what you're going to do, you're going to look around, so all over 360, basically looking your back shoulder, reverse, left mirror, center mirror, and right mirror, right shoulder. So signal cancel, so I put it back on. I'm going to do full lock to the right, and then as soon as I do full lock, I'm going to look around again, and then I'm going to go very slow, almost 0 to 1 mile an hour. Your control is so important here. As the car starting getting in, look over your shoulder multiple times. It will prevent any sort of fault and gives you overall view as well how the car is turning. And looking left mirror and the right mirror, I can see the back of my car on my right hand side starting to get within the lane, and then I can see, barely can see, the left white lane. Since I'm start getting into the bay, I don't need to do anything until my car becomes straightened. So I can see the white lane parallel on my both side, but on the left hand side slightly closer than on the right hand side. As long as my car is not touching the lane and safe distance from the lane marking, I don't need to do anything in here. I can just simply straighten the steering wheel, and I can look around again and start going back in. So I'm gonna just slightly actually, and I keep going, keep going, keep going until your mirror lined up with a T all the way on your right hand side, and that would be it. I think that's correct. So I don't know if you can see from the mirror, it's lined up with all the way down there. And also another way to find out, your shoulder should be in the middle of the bay as well. So you're sitting in the center of the car, your shoulder should be in the middle of the bay. That's the best way to park in. Thank you very much, guys. For more video, please subscribe so that you can have more update then and there. Thank you. Have a good evening.